No. Now you are. Hi, Sazhane. Oh.
Peace out, homies. Yes.
Where are the video not starting?
Hey, you are. That you settled down. That you found a girl and you're marrying now.
Okay, everybody, now we're ready to start the first shizzle. It's Go Man, Payphone by Sazhane Lawton.
I'm trying to call home all of the change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, or is it too late to try? And in our time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Yeah, yeah. I turned my back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. I know I've said it before, but all of our bridges burned down. I wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time once we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song and I'll be sick. Oh no.
That was Sazhane Lawton. Make her famous.